Fèin va, cymryd a haw yn diw is Misha Katie agus hami adolahang or an Gaelic. So good morning everybody, I hope you are all well. I'm Katie and I'm back for some more Fèis Time and Gaelic singing. Today we are going to learn a Gaelic rowing song. Now, what do you think I mean by a rowing song? Yeah, you're right. So, rowing a boat. So, these songs were used when people were rowing. So, you should be able to do this action whilst we sing it. Okay, so I'm going to sing the chorus and the first line so that you can hear how it goes. And why don't you have a go at doing a rowing action along with me? Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Iomraibh ho, beautiful na hoden naten. Iomraibh ho, chaya vaneroch an prai. Iomraibh ho, beautiful na hoden naten. Iomraibh ho. Gleva. Okay, so the name of this song is Iomraibh, and it is about a girl, a milkmaid, who goes down to the beach and she's going to collect some shellfish from the beach, but unfortunately she falls on the rock and she hurts her leg and her hand. Okay, so we're going to learn the chorus for this song. So we're going to learn it nice and slowly. So don't worry, okay? Don't worry if you've never sung any Gaelic before. We're going to take it nice and slowly. So, can you repeat this after me? Iomraibh, your turn. Iomraibh ho. Gleva. Can we put those two bits together? Iomraibh ho. Gleva. Beautiful na hoden naten. Your turn. Beautiful na hoden naten. Gleva. Iomraibh ho. Uvisht. Iomraibh ho. Gleva. And that is the whole of the chorus already. You're picking up nice and quickly. So why don't we try singing it nice and slowly? So if you ached, listen first and I'll sing it through so you can hear how it goes, and then we'll sing it all together. Iomraibh ho, beautiful na hoden naten. Iomraibh ho. Okay, join in with me. 1, 2, 3. Iomraibh ho, beautiful na hoden naten. Iomraibh ho. Gleva. Sounds beautiful. Okay, this time we're going to sing the chorus, then I'll sing the first line which talks about the milkmaid going down to the beach, and then we'll sing the chorus again. And this time I want you to do the rowing action. Okay, so imagine you're in a rowing boat, you're singing this song and you're rowing at the same time. And see if you can get anybody else at home or when you're back at school. See if you can get them to do this with you. Sometimes you can sit in a nice long line on the floor and pretend you're in a nice long rowing boat and see if you can all do it in time with one another. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Iomraibh ho, Beautiful na horen nachen, immer weiter am horo. Chai van roch an trei, immer weiter am horo. Beautiful na horen nachen, immer weiter am horo. Beautiful na horen nachen, immer weiter am horo. Gleva, very good, well done. Well, I hope that you enjoyed that rowing song, Iomraibh eutrom, and I hope that you'll keep singing and keep practicing all of your singing and all of the music that you are learning as part of Fèis Time. And I will see you again soon. So, pa Leif, agus, cheery.